It is Baby Dawn coming on here early in the morning. Um, Waiting for the water to turn on here at the golf club along the Greenway here in Bede City. One of the greatest memories I have of Mead, Greenway is spending a night here when I was last in town. And it was hot and it was sticky because it was the middle of summer. Just like last night here. In September, though. And this was before I had Planet Fitness membership. And I remember waking up and it was hot and sticky and I was tacky and, my balls were clammy and I kept, like I need air and I need water and I need to cool down because like I'm hot, and I'm hot, but I'm hot because like, I need to cool down the inner core, I need to cool down the inner core of my body, it's not, it's not me. It's just, being out here in the sun for 4 years, I need to cool down the inner core. And so I thought, oh, hey, there's a golf course around here. I think I passed on the way, to this bench along the trail. And, I don't know, what time is it? And, I don't know, it's like, but I did the math, I put in the year, I put in the date, you know, and I put in the day that I was here along the trail, and I said, I'll bet, that water's just about to come up on that golf course, and, and I can use a shower, and so I ran down the trail. It's a pretty long trail. I was on a bench and I ran down it and 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 down it until I finally got to the golf course. And I had about a 5 minute wait. And then, sure enough, the water came on. And I was in my glory. But that was yesterday. Today is today. All right, I'm going. Yes, officer, I'm going.